Hi, my name is Len and today I'm gonna talk about the black Phoebe. Black Phoebe has its scientific name is Sayornis nigricans and about its habitat. This species always chooses the living place that near water, for example, lakes, streams, ponds, according to the Wildlife Journal Jr. In general, black Phoebe is shooting gray with a dark head. The upper parts and chest are dark gray. However, the belly has a different color, white. But mud is the main factor that black Phoebe choose for their living place because mud is the main thing that they use to build a nest. Following is their current status. Both locally and globally, black Phoebe is identified as the least concerned species. I think mostly about the reproduction and suitable living place. According to the information in the Cornell lab, they report that the reproduction potential of this species increased by over 2% every year from 1996 to 2019 based on the North American Breeding Bird Survey. Moreover, increasing suitable nests is also one of the main reasons that make this species never reach low reproduction. Therefore, they identify as the least concern. This is the number of observations on the naturalist after comparing with the other location, but mostly is Janulite and Sub-Bottom location. However, Allison Valley of Los Angeles River is the area where black Phoebe was reported as the most observation rather than the others. Lastly is the restoration action. There's two restoration action that I believe would have the largest impact on my species. Planting more native trees to increase tree canopy and creation of the pocket parks. I believe that planting more native trees would bring a huge benefit to my species habitat. As we know, recently the hot degree, including the drought in our place, create many fires, whether small or big, but mainly facing the consequence of home being destroyed by deadly wildlife habitat, according to the United States Department of Agriculture. Because of this, the habitats of black Phoebe was being destroyed terribly. Therefore, planting more trees not only help my species have new and better homes, but also contribute to bringing back a healthier environment for humans. Aside from this, the creation of pocket parks along the river banks to increase the connectivity by connecting smaller paths of habitat is also the right benefit to black Phoebe. Creating the pocket parks is the same as expanding the green environment space. According to y'all, these pocket parks will create a secure and welcoming setting for birds and other species. Thank you.